Hey, it's John. Hey, we've talked about this before, but you want to lock your electrical box, and I've been doing some more things here at the house to fortify this front yard from any suspicious activities. So there's a invisible line you're seeing right here, but basically this spot here, from here on in, I get notified if somebody's on this side of the driveway. There's a camera mounted up here. It's a Nest camera that's looking down on all this, and it's pretty neat. Nest is working with Google Home, I guess, the app, and I'll show you what that can do. But you can come up here to the doorbell and ring it, and it automatically lets you see who's at the door on the Google Assistant. So it's pretty slick.
Hi.
Hey, Rhonda, can you open the front door?
Okay. Is it open?
We want all of our citizens to be safe in their persons and their belongings. One easy step to prevent crime is to lock your doors to your cars and your house. If you always do those two things, the likelihood of someone taking advantage of you is very small.